In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to see Instagram accounts of people near you. Seeing Instagram accounts of people nearby can help build a sense of community by connecting you with like-minded locals, which is useful for everything from making friends to finding gym partners or support networks for personal goals. To do this, simply head to your Instagram. You will want to head to the search section. Now you will want to search for your current location. Slide into the section of places. Head to your exact location. Now onto the map. If you zoom in, you will see different stories in different places. Simply tap into them and click right here to see the account that posted that story in that same exact location. Now these are the accounts in your current location. You can check out their profile or simply follow them if you want. This is a simple way to stay inspired, informed, and connected to your community. That's how easy it is to see Instagram accounts of people near you. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.